Radio buttons allow users to choose a single option for multiple items provided by admins. You can add them easily to your online form using WP Fluent Forms. Just scroll to the radio field from the general fields and click on it. You can also drag and drop it. Or click on the plus icon on your blank form and select Radio field from the drop-down menu. Now hover over the input field and click on the Edit icon. Set your element label. Decide where you want to place your label, at the top or left of the field, or nowhere at all. Labels are shown at the top by default. Define your admin field label. Set your options. You can do that by defining them one by one, or provide the options as each line in bulk. You can also drag and drop the options to rearrange them. Click on the plus icon to add more values, or on the minus to omit any unnecessary one. Select Show Values if the admin wants to see something different for the drop-down names. Enable the Clear Selection option if you don't want any items selected. If it's an essential field, make it a required one. Define the error message as you want. Do further customization with the advanced options. For more details on the advanced options, go to the link provided on the description box. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.